REO-Outdoors. Turn on notifications, like, share, subscribe. This is a retaining wall I've been working on for a few days. I cut pretty much 4 foot back off of this hill. See that little dip right there? That was where the hill used to be. I cut that back about 4 foot and moved the retaining wall back that far. Not bad for an old guy, I would say. Turned out pretty good. Turned out pretty good. Gonna have to figure out something for this steep hill right here. But yeah, I did a pretty good job doing that. So one more thing for Grandpa to do outside. End up being maybe 40 degrees on April 27th, 2022. Sun's shining. Turned out to be a pretty day. I guess it was a nice cool day. It was a good day to work. So I've got some dirt to remove from another portion of my yard to fill in back behind this. That's going to be my next project. Over here between the garage and the shed, I'm going to pull about 3 inches of dirt out of that whole length right there so that I can cement that. I don't know why the previous owner didn't do that in the first place, but he left that 2 foot wide spot by 20. So I'm going to dig that dirt out of there down 3 or 4 inches, and it is going to go back behind that wall and fill that in over there and try and level that up where that dip is. And we hope to put some vegetables in this area right here this summer. Some tomatoes probably. But that's the next big plan. (6 p.m. 1800 hours, April 27th, 2022. Sheba. All right, folks. This is a 4-minute video. That's long enough for you. You got the point. Get outside, enjoy Mother Nature, enjoy the beautiful America that God has given you. Enjoy the sunshine, enjoy the snow, enjoy the rain. God help America. God forgive America. Turn on notifications, like, share, subscribe. REO-Outdoors. We love America.